Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine Amos, the CEO and Project Manager, Sunshine Resources. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make aloe vera shower gel at home. If you are new to this channel, you may consider subscribing so that you get posted of all our videos and resources each time we upload them. Aloe vera shower gel is a bathing liquid soap fortified with the refreshing ingredient of aloe vera plant. Aloe vera contains antioxidants, enzymes, vitamin A and vitamin C. It is highly anti-inflammatory and can treat bones, acne and dry skin. In this video, I'm going to take you through the process of how to produce a shower gel and fortify it with a skin nourishing ingredient from aloe vera plant. Now, aloe vera gel can be extracted from aloe vera plant directly, or you can simply order it online. Before we go into the production proper, let's go through the safety precautions you will take as you do this preparation. Avoid direct contact of chemicals with the skin or eyes. Keep all chemicals out of reach of children and do not taste any chemical. Now let's establish the quantity of materials needed to produce about 10 liters of aloe vera shower gel. Nitrosol 60 gram, sodium bicarbonate 170 gram, sodium tripolyphosphate also known as STPP 65 gram, sodium lauryl sulfate also known as SLS 250 gram, chlorxylenol 20 ml, tapinol also known as pine oil 30 ml, glycerin 20 ml, aloe vera gel 60 ml, vitamin E 20 ml, sodium benzoate 2 tablespoons, color 2 tablespoons, and perfume 20 ml. Now these are the materials. This is nitrosol, this is sodium bicarbonate, this is sodium tripolyphosphate also known as STPP, this is sodium lauryl sulfate also known as SLS, this is chlorxylenol, this is tapinol also known as pine oil, and this is glycerin. This is our aloe vera gel. This is vitamin E, sodium benzoate, color, and perfume. In this particular production, we're going to be producing about 10 liters of aloe vera shower gel. Now measure some water into an empty bucket. Now dissolve the nitrosol in the water. As you add the nitrosol to the water, stir very hard to avoid lumps formation. Now if peradventure lumps are formed in the nitrosol solution, before adding sodium bicarbonate, it is better to filter the nitrosol solution using a filter. Now dissolve the sodium bicarbonate in water and add it to the nitrosol solution. Now also dissolve your STPP, also known as sodium tripolyphosphate, in water and add it to the solution. Now you can dissolve your sodium lauryl sulfate, also known as SLS, and add it to the solution. Please note here that the total volume of water we're going to be using in this preparation is 10 liters, including the volume of water we're going to be using to dissolving all the solid particles. Now stir the solution very hard to ensure that the particles are properly dissolved. SLS particles usually takes time to dissolve. Now you can add your chlorxylenol, glycerin, aloe vera gel and vitamin E. Please note that the use of chlorxylenol and tapinol in our formulation has made the soap an antiseptic soap. This means that apart from the fact that our formulation can supply the skin with rich nutrient extracted from aloe vera, it also has the capacity to kill germs and bacteria on the skin. You can now add your tapinol or pine oil. Now dissolve your sodium benzoate and add it to the solution. Sodium benzoate is used as preservative. Now dissolve your color and also add to the solution. Please note that the beauty of shower gel comes from the color and perfume. Select color and perfume that can be appealing and inviting to the user. Now you can add your perfume. And now, ladies and gentlemen, our homemade aloe vera shower gel is ready for use. So thank you very much for watching, and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng. You can visit our YouTube channel on youtube.com/c/Sunshine Resources SRTV. You can also follow us on our Facebook page on Sunshine Resources. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.